Maya, you've been in Web3 and for longer than me. I've got to ask, why are so many DeFi and AI builders complaining about compute these days? Because it's the bottleneck. Accessing PUS or even CPUs on hyperscalers is insanely expensive, and on top of that, there are shortages and long queues. Imagine trying to ship fast when your infrastructure slows you down. I feel that. Last month, my OS bill hit 5 figures just for training a mid-size AI model. It's like paying a cloud tax every time I want to test something new. Exactly. That's where Spheron Network comes in. Instead of relying on a few centralized providers, it aggregates idle compute from contributors around the world like gamers, developers, enterprises, and data centers. So, it's like dip-in for compute? That's right. And it's not just theory, it's already running. Spheron has over 44,000 nodes, 10,000 plus PUS, and coverage in more than 170 regions. Impressive. But how much cheaper are we talking compared to OS or GCP? Up to 80 to 90% savings. If you're paying $10 an hour for an 8100 on OS, Spheron can give you similar access for under $2. For a startup, that can mean the difference between surviving or shutting down. That's a game changer. But reliability is key. Can DeFi projects trust it during high volatility moments, like liquidations or Oracle updates? That's actually where decentralization helps most. Centralized clouds can throttle or even cut off apps. With Spheron, there's no single point of failure, so uptime is stronger. Projects like bitsCrunch and Sentism are already using it for real-time analytics and automation. And payments, how do users pay for compute? With SPON, Spheron's native token. It's used to pay for compute, stake for rewards, and participate in governance. Providers earn in SPON too, so the ecosystem aligns incentives. So SPON isn't just a token, it's the glue holding the network together. Exactly. It powers the flywheel. Providers get rewarded, users get cheaper compute, and the network grows stronger with every workload deployed. I like that. It feels less like renting from a corporation and more like being part of a community-owned data center. That's the vision. A future where compute is open, affordable, and censorship-resistant. Whether it's AI training, DeFi risk modeling, or gaming backends, Spheron gives builders an edge. Honestly, if more startups knew about this, they wouldn't be stuck burning money on hyperscalers. That's why education matters. Spheron isn't just another tool, it's infrastructure built for the next wave of innovation. I'm convinced. Time to shift my workloads. Where do I start? Simple. Go to their console, deploy in minutes, and if you want to dive deeper, check out their Linktree for all resources. Perfect. From what you're saying, it feels like Spheron isn't just cutting costs, it's rewriting the rules of compute. That's exactly it. The future of compute will be decentralized, and Spheron is already building it.